In the modern business environment, technology plays a pivotal role in streamlining operations, especially when it comes to critical functions like payroll and accounting. The debate between traditional desktop software and cloud-based solutions has largely settled, with cloud technology emerging as the preferred choice for its flexibility, accessibility, and efficiency. When businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, consider their options for managing these essential tasks, names like Patriot software often come to mind. This leads to a fundamental question for many. Is Patriot software cloud-based? As an accounting software expert, I can definitively state that yes, Patriot software is entirely cloud-based. This is not a partial offering or a hybrid model. Patriot software was built from the ground up to be a web-based application. This design choice is central to its functionality, accessibility, and the benefits it offers to its users. What does cloud-based truly mean for a software solution like Patriot? Essentially, it means that the software and all your data are hosted on Patriot's secure servers, accessible to you via the internet through a web browser. You don't download and install any software onto your computer, nor do you need to worry about maintaining servers or performing manual updates. This contrasts sharply with traditional on-premise software, which requires installation on individual computers or local servers. The core advantages of Patriot's cloud-based model. Patriot software's commitment to a cloud-based architecture translates into several significant advantages for businesses, particularly for those that might not have dedicated IT staff or extensive technical expertise. Anytime, anywhere access. This is perhaps the most celebrated benefit of cloud-based software. With Patriot, you can access your payroll and accounting data from any device, laptop, tablet, smartphone, with an internet connection. Whether you're at the office, working from home, traveling, or even managing your business from a coffee shop, your financial information is always at your fingertips. This flexibility is invaluable for busy business owners and remote teams. Automatic updates and compliance. One of the biggest headaches for businesses dealing with payroll is keeping up with ever-changing tax laws and regulations. With a cloud-based system like Patriot, all software updates, including crucial tax table changes, are handled automatically by Patriot. This ensures that your payroll calculations are always compliant with the latest federal, state, and local requirements, significantly reducing the risk of costly penalties and errors. You don't need to download patches or manually update your software. Enhanced data security. While some might initially have concerns about data being stored in the cloud, reputable cloud providers like Patriot invest heavily in robust security measures. This includes data encryption, secure data centers, regular backups, and advanced cybersecurity protocols that often far exceed what a typical small business could implement on its own. Your sensitive financial and employee data is protected by dedicated security teams, giving you peace of mind. Cost-effectiveness and predictable pricing. Cloud-based software typically operates on a subscription model, monthly or annual fees. This eliminates the need for large upfront capital expenditures on software licenses, servers, and IT infrastructure. For small businesses, this predictable pay-as-you-go pricing makes financial planning much easier and ensures that you only pay for the services you use. Scalability. As your business grows, your accounting and payroll needs will likely become more complex. Cloud-based solutions are designed to scale effortlessly. Patriot software can accommodate growing employee counts and expanding business needs without requiring you to invest in new hardware or undergo complex system migrations. You simply adjust your subscription plan as needed. Real-time collaboration. For businesses with multiple users, perhaps an owner, a bookkeeper, and an accountant, cloud-based software facilitates seamless collaboration. Everyone accesses the same, up-to-date data, eliminating version control issues and improving communication. This is especially beneficial if you work with an external accounting professional. Reduced IT burden. Since Patriot hosts and maintains the software, there's no need for your business to manage server upkeep, software installations, troubleshooting, or data backups. This frees up valuable time and resources that can be redirected to core business activities. Employee self-service. Patriot Payroll, as a cloud-based solution, offers an employee self-service portal. This means employees can securely log in online to view their pay stubs, Check their pay history and access tax documents like W-2s, reducing administrative requests to your payroll team. Considerations with cloud-based software. While the benefits are extensive, it's also important to acknowledge potential considerations associated with any cloud-based software. Internet dependence. A stable internet connection is essential. If your internet service is interrupted, you won't be able to access the software. However, in today's connected world, reliable internet is increasingly a given for most businesses. Vendor reliance. You are reliant on Patriot or any cloud provider for the availability and security of the service. Choosing a reputable and reliable provider with a strong track record, like Patriot, is crucial.